How to fix Netflix login error on Android. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can fix Netflix login error on Android. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you're getting a login error on the Netflix app on Android, there could be various reasons for this. The first thing you want to make sure is that it's not the issue with your internet or Wi-Fi. So if you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular or vice versa. Now, since you're using Netflix app on Android, what you can do is long press the Netflix app icon, tap on this I button that will take you to the app info page. This setting will be found on any Android device, by the way. And when you've done that, just go to storage usage, clear the cache files, and also make sure to clear the data. Go to your Play Store or your App Store and check if the Netflix app is up to date and updated to the latest version. Updating will hopefully fix most of the previous bugs that you're facing. And when you open it up now, if you're trying to log in, still you're getting that error. It could be that you're using any type of VPN or proxies. So make sure that you're not using any such of those services. Then tap the sign in button and make sure your email and phone number and your password is correct. So it could also be due to an incorrect credentials that you're facing this issue. If you forgot your password though, you can tap on this option called forgot password and try to reset your password using your email or your phone number. So this way, hopefully you can fix the login error for the Netflix app on Android. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.